The Houthi rebels from Yemen have struck again, and this time they say that they hit deep inside Israel. On Monday, the Houthis claimed that they launched 5 drones aimed at not only one but 3 different Israeli cities, including Ben Gurion Airport near Tel Aviv and Ramon International Airport in the south. These aren't just random locations, by the way. They are major travel hubs, symbols of Israel's global connection. But you know why now? Well, the Houthis say that this is a payback time. According to them, Israel carried out airstrikes earlier that particular day on the Red Sea port city of Hodeidah, a key area in Yemen used for shipping and aid. Then in response, the Houthis took the skies with their own drones. Retaliation was swift and they are calling it a successful operation. But here's a bigger question. How is a rebel group in Yemen able to strike targets more than 2,000 kilometers away? Well, the answer lies in their growing drone power, mostly supplied or supported by Iran. The Houthis may be isolated in Yemen, but they are not weak. With Iranian backing, they have turned into one of the most dangerous regional threats, capable of hitting ships in the Red Sea, oil sites in Saudi Arabia, and now airports in Israel. And let's not forget here, this isn't their first attack. Since the Israel-Gaza war began, the Houthis have reportedly targeted Israeli territories and international shipping routes, saying that they are standing up for Palestinians. But you know what? Their actions are now pulling more countries into this conflict. The US and the UK have already responded in the past with airstrikes on Houthi missile strikes. So now the question is that response coming again? In the meantime, Israel has not officially confirmed the damage, but sirens were heard across the parts of the country. Air defenses were activated, civilian flights were disrupted, and people were told to take the covers. This is no longer just Gaza war. It is spreading into Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, the Red Sea, and now deep into Yemen's battle lines. The Houthis have made their move. The world is watching what Israel and its allies are going to do next.